Welcome everyone to HFN, also known as HueFin News. Today is January the 15th, 2021. We're going to go ahead and give you all an update on Polkadot for today. It's been a while, but before I do, if this is your first time watching our video, make sure you hit the like button, share the video, also subscribe to our channel because we're here to give you all predictions so that we can all get in position to capitalize on the next price movement that is forecast here on this particular platform. Also, if you guys want to join us, a little bit more engagement with us on this particular platform, we do have two perks. We do have an ad perk that we would like for each and every one of you all to listen to. So just take a quick moment, listen to this advertisement that we have created just to give you some interest into our new perks here on YouTube.
Glad to see you made it here. Congratulations. We have the most interesting perks packages that makes an excellent choice. 2, for instance, enables you to participate in our daily or live stream price prediction videos. The first is our Apprentice perk. This perk enables you to participate in predicting the market moves in a fun, social way. You'll use our custom market call emojis to describe your thoughts and achieve recognition while at it. You'll also receive access to our loyalty badges to let everyone know that you are a proud backer of HueFin News. And at HueFin News, your recognition goes a long way. You'll be recognized with every comment you leave on our videos and contributions on live streams with our loyalty badges. The second perk is our Artisan perk. This has the greatest value. The Artisan perk not only gives you complete access to perks from the Apprentice membership, but enables you to choose a price chart that you'd like for us to review during our The Lookout live stream sessions. In these sessions, you'll have ample opportunity to express your thoughts on the market moves, contribute, or ask questions. We're bringing these two amazing perks to enable our supporters to engage better with us. And we're the only channel on YouTube that does this. Don't hesitate to join the elite community. Snag out the Apprentice perk at just $1.99 a month, or the Artisan for only $4.99 a month. Why wait? Go trade differently.
That's a very good question. Why wait? Join us. We're here to give you all the opportunity to call the markets right alongside with us. We created some custom emojis just so you can see and predict the market for yourself. Okay, you need to understand and learn how the market moves and how to get in position so you can capitalize from the trap. Also want to say thank you to Ken. Ken is our latest member who has participated and joined our community in calling the markets right alongside with us. Thank you, Ken. We definitely appreciate you joining aboard. If you're not a member yet, don't wait. Also, on the weekends, we send out a community post beginning of every week for all of our Artisan members to get an idea of which charts they want us all to converse and talk about. We'll do that this coming Saturday, so join us as well as we go live on this Saturday. So now, here we are. We're looking at Polkadot real quick. You can see that Polkadot here has seen a substantial movement higher in price, right? It has been climactic. This market in Polkadot over the last couple of months, starting in August, has just been traded within a range. And it finally broke out of that range right there towards our last price forecast, which was on December the 25th. We did our last prediction in Polkadot. And as you all can see, it has exceeded, the trap has exceeded our expectations wholeheartedly. I mean, we only had the market tagging out around restriction around $5.51. The market right now is at $14. So at least 6.89% profitability could have been had into your pocket. If you're seeing the market right now, you were to get out right now at $14, that is literally about 174% profitability. So either way, 6.89%, 175%. Yes, it's very different in percentages, but profit is profit. You did not know that the market in Polkadot was going to rise 174% back in December. But we understood that the trap was going to increase its price. So either way, from here to 6.89% to 174%, you need to congratulate yourself because you grabbed the bag. You took the bag back from the trap. That's the whole purpose, is to get gains and not to lose it. So congratulations to all those who was able to capitalize on that. So obviously, we need to adjust our chart because since December the 25th, the trap has laid down more information for us to ingest. or digest. Okay, the volume has been climactic. We haven't seen this much volume in Polkadot since this market at least started its trading on Binance back here in August of 2020. So we need to talk about that volume because the interest is definitely increasing to the market in Polkadot here, that we have changed the price level. Like the market in Polkadot was trading from $4 all the way back here to $5, $6 right before the market broke out. With this high volume, we are creating a new area of support, which is around $8 and $9. Okay, this is if the market ever in Polkadot is to go back down to the lower side, this will have to be the next area that the market will have to grab support from the trap. Okay, so let's go ahead and get rid of this line here, and we're going to use this support area line now and adjust it, because we understand that the market in Polkadot is now following a trend. Right now, the last 3 days, okay, into the market in Polkadot, you do not see this. Okay, the euphoric movement in Polkadot over the last 3 days is not common, and you will not expect this to continue. Okay, so if you wasn't able to catch this movement, you'll have to wait on the next opportunity, because this is it's visually showing us that the market is too euphoric, it's too happy, and there's no one. The trap is not even willing to sell the market at lower prices over the last 2 days in Polkadot. Okay, so the question now is, we need to determine where support is. So now, looking at the market in Polkadot, you guys can see how massive this slope is in Polkadot versus this other trend. Okay, we are definitely seeing a monumental expansion of happiness into the market in Polkadot. It makes no sense. Literally, the trap is taking full advantage in the market of everyone else who thinks Polkadot is a buy. Like, he tricked a lot of people into thinking that Polkadot is going to continue to follow this massive slope into eternity. So let's take it back over to that 1 hour time frame, and you can see it's a very good move. Very, very positive movement in the market in Polkadot. But you can see here that we are seeing individuals trapped here taking profitability. So let me circle this for you. Okay, the market is finding a hiccup. It's finding a stoppage. And it's not coincidental that it came up there towards $15. So when we look at the hourly time frames into the market in Polkadot, we're still seeing more weakness into the market than we are strength. That $14.50, $15 area is impending, or is holding back the market from going higher. That is what the trap is enduring. And as we're seeing this market really consolidate, pay attention to what the volume is doing. That interest is waning. Unlike what we've seen when this market were pursuing higher prices on this uptrend, we're not seeing that anymore. The volume is decreasing. So you could take that into consideration and seeing that this trend that Polkadot currently is in is not going to hold. Okay, so yes, it was a very good movement over the last couple of days in the market in Polkadot. But now, looking forward, we need to see if it's going to be sustained. Can the market maintain that? And as I look and switch through these multiple time frames, the probability of that occurring is being lessened as we continue to see this market trade out. Okay, so for us on this particular forecast package in Polkadot, we're going to continue to play some of this weakness into the market. So let's do this real quick. I'm going to take it to see where we can find an area of support at in the market for Polkadot. So literally, a very good area of support would be $13.50, back down to $13 even. Okay, So even though we're not playing a substantive amount of weakness in the market in Polkadot, you know what I'm seeing though? I'm still seeing that this market has legs to try to continue to go higher in price. But it's only for a very short time window. I don't see the market in Polkadot really exhibiting to us a lot of strength though. So based off of how often we do these videos for Polkadot, we're going to go ahead and play the weakness here. I'm not expecting this trend to be sustained in the long term. So we're going to play the weakness right now to the market in Polkadot. So right now, we know that $15 is restriction that is holding back the market from going higher. And that's going to be our ultimate restriction area right now. And we need to see this market on an hourly time frame to gauge where restriction is, okay? Or excuse me, support. So $13.50 would be support into the market in Polkadot. So that's literally where we would TP the market at, around $13.50, which is about 4.5%. But I'm going to bring it down here to the tops of these couple of 3-hour price bars, which is about 9% market movement to the downside, okay? So yeah, we're not expecting this trend, this current trend that the market in Polkadot is in, to be sustained. So we're going to play this movement to the downside, and we said that 1350 would be our TP area, but ultimately we definitely can see this market come back down to, you know, $12.85. Okay, so now this is it. This is our call. This is our forecast that we're expecting the trap to do. Now it is your turn. What do you all see? Do you expect the market to continue to hold this trend that we're currently seeing, or do you expect us to come right back to the overall trend into the market in Polkadot? Tell everyone your opinion, your prediction. All of our community members, use those custom emojis as well to tell everyone what you think the market is. Do you think it's strong, weak, going forward? Or do you think the market will maintain this fire that it's been on over the last 3 days? Let everyone know. Make sure you maintain a profitability. Now go and trade different.